Pensioners for Edo State don't do protest on Wednesday, sake of say Edo State government they owe them gratuity. Some of the pensioners who participate for this protest were black and constantly block the busy ring road. Some of the pensioners when chook to TMC TV Tori people talk say plenty pensioners don't buy on top this matter, and the last time any government paid gratuity for Edo now 2012 under former governor Comrade Adams Oshomole.
The last person that paid gratuity in this state, Oshomole, that was 2011. From 2011 to date, Obaseki, since he came to power, he has not paid one kobo gratuity. What he pays is the monthly pension, which are stipends. The real bulky amount that we are supposed to take home, which is gratuity, he has refused to pay. And that is why we are here, to beg him to come up to pay us our money. We are tired. Most of the pensioners have died. A lot of them have died. More than 200 pensioners have died without them assessing this money. Many are sick in the hospital. One fell down here just now. The police, it was the policemen that now came with their vehicle and they picked him away to carry him to the hospital. So we are here to tell the governor of Edo State. He goes on telling lies that he has paid, he has paid. He has not paid one single gratuity since he came to power. And the federal government has given him more than 3 tranches of money. We don't know what he's using it for.
The government has been making promises that is never fulfilled. He will always say, I will pay when the salary or when the finances of the states improve. We'll be waiting for that finance to improve, but it appears that it's not going to improve forever. Throughout last year, they pleaded with us to exercise patience that they were going to do something. Until December, nothing happened. We now told them, we put them on notice that if nothing happened this time around, we will take a reprisal the way we know it. So that is what made us to gather this morning, that we are not going to give them breathing space again. The governor will be saying, I'm paying a monthly pension as and when due, whereas gratuity is the main thing. That is the money you give to any exiting officer to start a new life. Since he retired from service, the government has not paid a dime. In short, they should come out to say this is the particular person they have paid gratuity to in Edo State. Since Oshomole left, they've not paid gratuity to anybody in the state.
I retired 2012. The 2012 gratuity yellow card have been collected by the governor. That is pay advice. I don't have pay advice yellow paper now. So I'm come out now to come and draw my money. If you leave the government now by tomorrow, you say it's not owing anybody. It's owing me. I'm old. It should pay my money. If the children are carrying me, giving me money to feed. If you don't have a house before you have a land, if they pay your gratuity, you go and build your house. But this time you retire, you can't get gratuity. The monthly payment does not go well. They should advise the governor to please pay the money before he leaves the government.
I retired since 2012. Most of us, we retired since 2012. They've not paid us. Godwin, they know say have not paid us our gratuities. That's what we are. The reason why we are here. Because since 2012, those of us retired since 2012, we were screened in 2017 to be able to get our gratuities. He screened us. He did not back it up with any finance. So till date, no money. So we are here because of our gratuities. That monthly payment is my right. It's not from his own pocket. It's my right. Somebody that served for 35 years, you think it's a joke? And I retired since 2012. We are entering the 11th year now. It's not easy. So for you to be coming out to say, be patient, the government when will government have money? So we need our gratuity. We lost so many pensioners last year. Even during Christmas period, three pensioners died on the 24th of December. 3 pensioners died because we all hold meeting together. So we want our money. We want to use our money. We want our money. So Governor Obaseki should pay us our gratuities.
As we speak up to tomorrow, you keep on giving stories. What is the peanuts are you paying people? You are making your own money. You are getting security vote every month. Something, how much millions you are making? And you are conserving all these things without paying people. Why? Who is fooling who? How much is people getting? Gratuity haven't worked for 35 years. Money you are supposed, so many have died. Even the authority, they call it yellow paper then, they collected it from workers, which would have been an evidence for them, for those who are dead. Up to as I speak now. We are in 2023. Running to the 12th year now. What's happening? They are absolutely wicked and evil.
Comrade Pauline Norua, will be the chairman of Nigerian Union of Pensioners, Edo State Chapter, come do meeting with Secretary to Edo State Government Osadion Oge and yarn the pensioners waiting sub for the meeting.
The SSG told us that he has been working with the governor and that the governor has every one of us in so hard. Why not listen? Now, he has advised that, in fact, as we were leaving, he was moving to the governor's office. He was moving to the governor's office to see him and then tell him what has happened, why that all of us are here. He has told us to exercise patience and that he was going to meet the governor to do something, and that anytime from now,
the pensioners when Beleno sweet with waiting their chairman tell them, come here and say them go continue to do the protest until Governor Obaseki hear their cry. As at the time when they bring on this story, the pensioners don't clear road and motor don't begin to move freely. Omo Aluke Ajakaye, TMC TV News. Make una remember say your PVC na be your power. Don't say I'm giving a politician on election day.